Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Serta iComfort Executive Chair. This is replacing the gaming chair I formerly had before, and it was time for an upgrade. Be advised that when you receive this product, the box is huge and heavy. I advise that you get some help with moving this if you are not able to move it yourself. I had to pull it into my residence because I'm not the strongest person in the world. Starting out, as I always say, you want to make certain that all the parts are present that come with the product. Find the manual and check off each part as you collect it. If any part or parts is missing, you can contact the manufacturer to solve the issue. Also, this product comes with the tools needed to assemble the chair. There's no need to go diving into your toolbox. First, find the base of the chair. This will resemble a star-shaped design. Turn it upside down for inserting the casters. Locate the casters or rollers and place them into the holes at the end of each leg. This may be a bit tough as you have to use a lot of force to get them to lock in place. Locate the gas lift. Turn the base right side up. Make certain to insert the gas lift correctly by placing the wider part into the hole in the base. It should slide in very easily. It may not look correct in this position, but believe me, it is. Next, locate the seat cushion and turn it upside down. For better assembly, place it on a table or box. Find the seat plate and align it over the pre-drilled holes on the underside of the seat cushion. Make certain the seat cushion and seat plate are facing the front as indicated on both items. Attach the seat plate to the seat cushion using the 4 J1 bolts for the holes of the seat plate. Securely tighten the bolts with the included Allen key using the star pattern for even results. For better assembly, take the back cushion and place it on a table or box with the metal bar facing up. Align the metal bar of the back cushion over the seat cushion and connect it with the 4 J3 bolts. Locate the right armrest and attach it to the side of the back cushion and seat cushion with 2 J2 bolts with spring washers. Assemble the left armrest the same way. Make certain to tighten all bolts with the Allen key. For the next steps, keep the levers of the armrest in the down position for easier assembly. Lift the lids of the easy cable connectors attached to the seat plate. Insert the ends of the arm cables into the grooves of the easy cable connectors. Pull tightly and snap them into place. Then close the lids. Run the cables through the plastic clips attached to the bottom of the seat cushion. Next, pull down the metal plate of the back cushion and attach it over the seat plate. This is accomplished more so by pulling the metal plate towards you and up towards the back cushion. There's flex with the metal plate, so do not be afraid to use force with it. Using the included knob, secure it tightly. Locate the plastic shroud and place it over the seat plate. Notice the words front on the plastic shroud to match this with the front of the seat cushion. Align the shroud post to the holes on the bottom of the seat cushion. Be mindful of the cables coming from the arms and slap it in place. This next step is easier by leaving the chair on the table or box. Insert the gas lift with the base into the central hole on the seat plate. Now place the assembled chair on the floor and either push down firmly on the chair or sit down in it a few times as desired for a secured connection. But you're not done yet. Make certain that all screws have been tightened and then place the arm inserts into the arm grooves. This is going to take a more delicate touch, so make certain to pound the arm inserts into the arm grooves. This may be the only way to get them into place. Use a rubber mallet if needed for effect. After many bruised hands and sweat coming from your brow, enjoy the creature comforts of this new chair. Assembling this chair has various completion times. Take your time to cut down on mistakes. Features of this chair include a rocker function with lock/unlock option with flexing lumbar support, which changes from full support to relaxed as you shift your sitting position from upright to reclined. Seat height adjustment, a 360-degree swivel seat, armrest controls for rocker and height adjustments, tilt tension adjuster, support up to 400 pounds, and a 10-year warranty. That's right, a 10-year warranty. Considering that I've sat in this chair before at a client's house, it is one of the most comfortable chairs. Lots of cushion for my buns, thighs, and plenty of soft leather for my body while I work on editing videos or chatting with friends on Discord. If you plan on purchasing any office or gaming chair, I advise you to find where one is located, go to that store, and sit in the chair to make certain it is in your favor. If possible, never order a chair online that you've never sat in, no matter how good they make it seem with words. Nothing's worse than getting something shipped to you only to find out how uncomfortable it is and then having it shipped back. If you are interested in this product, I'll leave links to it in the video description. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.